Hello everyone, I am Shrutika Katkar and today's video topic is a list. List in a Java provide the facility to maintain the ordered collection. It contains the index based methods to insert, update, delete and search the element. It can have the duplicate elements also. We can also store the null element in the list. The list interface is found in the java.util.package and inherits the collection interface. It is a factory of a interface. Through the list iterator, we can iterate the list in a forward and backward direction. The implementation class of a list interface are array list, linked list, stack and a vector. The array list and a linked list are widely used in a Java programming. The vector classes is a deprecated since Java 5. List interface declaration, public interface list, less than e, greater than extend collection. Java list versus array list. List in an interface, whereas array list is the implementation classes of a list. How to create a list? The array list and linked list classes provide the implementation of a list interface. Let's see the example of to create the list. In a short, you can create the list of any type. The array list, the linked list classes are used to specify the type. Here T denote the type. Java list example. Let's see a simple example of a list where we are using the array list class as the implementation. How to convert array to list? We can convert the array to list by traversing the array and adding the element in a list one by one using list.add method. Let's see a simple example to convert array element into list. Get and set element in a list. The get method return the element at the given index, whereas the set method change or replace the element. How to sort list? There are various ways to sort the list. Here we are going to use collection sort method to sort the listen element. The java.util.package provides a utility class collection which has the static method sort. Using the collection sort method, we can easily sort any list. List interface in a Java with example. The list interface provide a way to store the order collection. It is a child interface of a collection. It is an ordered collection of objects in which duplicate value can be stored. Since a list preserves the insertion order, it allows positional access and insertion of element. Operation in a list interface. Since list is an interface, it can be used only with a class that implement the interface. Now let's see how to perform a few frequently used operations on the list. Operation first, adding element to list class using add method. Operation second, updating element in a list class using set method. Operation 3, removing elements using remove method. Now let us discuss the operations individually and implement the same in the code to grasp a better grip over it. Operation 1, adding element to list class using add method. In order to add an element to the list, we can use the add method. This method is overloaded to perform multiple operations based on different parameters. It takes two parameters, namely add object. This method is used to add an element at the end of the list. Add index object. This is used to add an element at a specific index in the list. Operation second, updating elements. After adding the elements, if we wish to change the element, it can be done using the set method. Since list is indexed, the element which we wish to change the referenced variable. Thank you.